Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to the channel. So last class we saw about all the type of locators. Today I'm going to teach you like how to handle the drop downs, checkbox, those things. So for this I took one website. Okay, so I will share this URL with you. So this is the Android official website. So Appium, I mean, so you can download this APK. Okay, you can use it, anyone can use it. This is okay, so I will show you like how this looks like. Okay, and the problem is this is the old app, so try to work in the oldest version. Okay, so I'm using Galaxy 20 Android 10, so try to use in Android 10 version. Right now you know it's Android 14 is the latest, but try to use this in 10. So the app will works very well in that. Okay, so let's start it. App it's installing in our application. Okay, so I will show you the manual flow, then we go to the automation. Okay, so right now the app is designed. So first of all we want to click on the continue button. After that you want to click on the OK button. So after that you want to click on this profile icon. When you click on the profile icon, you will get this username, email, password, so on. So okay, here what is the main thing we are going to study is one is the drop down. So when I click this means this drop down will open. So based upon the selection it will select, and the next one checkbox. Okay, so we are going to learn everything in the entire page, but the main focus could be our drop down on the checkbox. Okay, so for this we need to inspect. So like you guys can know, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this app. We'll start from the fresh. Okay, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this app. So this is the app, Cylindroid test app. So when I open this, first of all, what I will do, I will reinstall because we need to confirm starting. Okay, so what I will do, I will kill this app and uninstall. After that I'm going to install again the same app. Okay, so to help you more better, in the meantime I will create a new file. Okay, a new file. In this new file I'm going to type it as, this is selenium or drop down. I better drop down -test.py. Okay, so you guys can know, so we can copy the base setup. What is the base setup? These two lines we need. Okay, one is get the driver from the Android setup file. Next one is selenium by for locators. Okay, so we need to create a driver equal to get driver. So from the driver method, from here we will get the driver. Okay, that's success, right? Then first thing we need to I'm clicking on the location inspect. Okay, when you click on inspect, the screen will open. Now we need to know the continue button. So this is the resource ID or ID for this one. So I'm going to copy this. So before this I'm going to teach you. So we want to write a dynamic weights in a single place. We can use it everywhere. Okay, so how to write this? So right now driver is local variable. So first initialize, I want to make this into global. Okay, now you noted, right? Okay, now I'm going to get a method def like wait for element. So in this element I'm going to copy the method. So in first class we studied about this one on the WebDriver wait class. If you don't know, so just remember that back. I'm going to paste it here. But for this, what are things we need? We need a WebDriver wait. We need. Okay, I'm going to paste the WebDriver wait, and next one is expected condition. Two things we need. Okay, so Selenium WebDriver support WebDriver wait, and Selenium support for expected condition easy. Okay, so in this, what are things we need? We need a driver. So driver where is coming right now? Driver was set up globally. Whenever this method is called, here it will update. Next one is we need a time. Okay, before that we need a first property. What is the property? Is locator type. Okay, so I want to pass the locator type here, and here what is this? This is a locator, right? Locator, see it clearly. Locator. So whenever I'm calling this method, I need to pass this two parameters, then only the WebDriver way. Next one is, here it is a constant, so we need to use timeout. So what I will do, I will mention like 160 seconds, I mean 1 minute. So this if customer is you didn't pass, means it will take a default value 60. If you want to pass any 2 minutes 3 minutes, means you can pass while calling this method. Okay, so this method is ready. Okay, and this method will return the element equal to, this will wait and it will return to you. Okay, cool, right? Wait for element. Now come to the where we use, and we need to import this method as well, where after the driver, because both the methods are coming from that file. Okay, first I am going to wait for the element. Okay, wait for the element. What element? So this is the ID, right? I'm copying the ID value. So what I want to pass, I want to first pass these two parameters. One is I want to pass the ID, comma, then I want to pass the locator. Two things we want to pass, right? Why? Because I want to pass the locator type and locator. Time I don't want to pass, because right now 60 is enough for me. Okay, so if you want, means you can pass this anything also. Okay, cool. Now I want to click this method, so it will wait every time, it will click. Okay, next I'm clicking the continue here and refreshing the screen, and right now I want to click on the OK button. What is the button? Is button 1. Okay, so what I want to do, wait for the element, this also by ID. You want to very careful this kind of places, then pass it and dot click. So it will see this, and how simple, right? You don't write the same method, this WebDriver every time. Simply write one method, then use it wherever it's required. Okay, this is the presence of locator. Okay, next one, I want to click the, so when I click the OK, so the screen will change. Now I want to click on the profile screen. So what is the profile screen? This is profile screen. Start user registration. So what I want to do, wait for by dot ID, comma, I want to pass the parameters. How cool, right? Okay, now once when I click the registration, this will open the user form. Okay, now I want to find each letters. Okay, first one is this one, edit box. This is username. Input the username. Wait for by dot ID, comma, I want to pass the parameter, but this is, so here I must start the click statement, click method. This is text box. Text box means what? Keys. You want to send the keys, and username is, I am telling type Prashant. Okay, then I want to email, so this is input email, so I'm going to give my dot. So if you understand the basic, means you can write even faster than this. Send keys test at 123. Okay, .com. That is the email. Okay, next one is, what I will do, I will copy this, I will paste it here. Okay, next is, I want to click on the password, so this is the password field. Just change the portion of this alone. Okay, password is test123 at, okay. Now leave the name, because name is unnecessary for us. Okay, it already something is there. Okay, now I want to click on this Ruby. So Ruby is generally, it's a, see here it's a spinner, so I want to click on the spinner first, input program language. Okay, so I want to click on this, please, sorry, here I want to select refresh, because we want to always identify the location. So I want to click on this spinner. or this arrow mark, anything. So right now it's called as a spinner. So what is this? This is the ID. So what I will do, I will copy this portion, paste it here, then copy it from here. So this will click. After the click, what will happen? This will open the folder. Now I'm going to teach you a different method. This you guys want to know very clearly. Okay. So when I click on this drop down, there's a list of drop downs coming. So I'm refreshing. When I'm going to inspect this place, okay, you guys can understand clearly. So it's a list view. Under this list there are how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8, totally 8. Okay. So first of all I want to know, but someday it may be removed one value, some value will be there. Okay, it's not a constant always, it will change. So what we're going to do, what's the view? This is the view. So I'm going to write XPath. Already you guys know XPath, but I'm telling double slash star. This is the ID value at ID equal to, in double quote I'm providing this value, so it's 1. So what I will do, slash, if I click on the Ruby, see this Ruby ID or source ID same. When I go to PHP, only the text is changing, but the resource ID are same. If you see, I'm clicking on all the things, that means this is a constant. Okay. So if I put single slash means under the list view, this is the direct child. If a double slash means direct child, grandpa child, everything. Okay. So I'm putting star equal to ID equal to, on double quote I'm pasting in the model. See this, I told right, I'm getting 8 elements for a single XPath. That means I want to store more than one element, total 8 elements. Okay. So what I'm going to put this is a drop down list. Okay. Drop down list equal to driver dot find. See this, find elements. I always use find element in this place, right? Find element. This time I'm using a find elements. You can see always I use find element. Okay. Find elements. I'm going to store more than one element. XPath, in XPath single quote, not this one. I want to copy this entire portion. Okay, first it. Okay, when it's a list. Okay, it's a list means I cannot take anything. So I want to use which one? For loop. You guys are very well. So element in drop down list. Okay, in the drop down list I'm going to I don't do anything, just printing the element dot. So which attribute I need? I need text attribute, because class, resource ID, text ID are attributes. In which attributes we are getting a text value in a text attribute. To get the attribute of element, which method? Get attribute of text. So what we'll do, this will get go to this element, get the attribute text. So it will loop for 8 times and it will print it. Okay. Suppose customer is giving value equal to, okay, JavaScript. So how do I click the JavaScript? First we'll see it is looping correctly or not, then we can see. Okay. So before that I want to know what are the parameters of my app. Okay. So I'm closing this session, in session. So I want to copy this app ID, and two things I want to do. One is I want to make my platform to 10. Previously we have 14. Another one is device name is 20, because latest device won't work for this app, and I want to modify this app ID. These are the changes we need to do. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay. So now I want to run. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go copy the file name, open the new command prompt or terminal, type Python 3. You guys, if it's Windows means you can type Python is enough. I'm clicking the running. Now it's started. We'll go to the script. It is started. This is the first script. New bills available. We'll see how it is running. If anything fails me, we'll see. Maybe the driver is not coming properly or not. So what I will do, I will update the driver as well this time, because maybe in the profile screen the driver didn't maybe came up, so due to this the script didn't move ahead. So what I will do, in the Android test I will pass the driver as well. So this is the driver which is using. Okay, so in this place what I want to pass, because in that driver we didn't create a driver, right? So I want to pass this place. Okay, so before that import time. So what I will do after clicking, I add a small time as well. Sometimes after clicking that drop down it takes time to bring the, so 5 seconds. Okay, let's start again. Due to testing app, it's failing some places, but taking waiting a lot of time. Sometimes it's running, sometimes it's not running, but I will show you the method over here. Okay, so what I will do, suppose you want to click on this method, means what you want to do means you want to put if condition if val equal to element dot get attribute. So whatever element you're getting, so whenever it's matching with JavaScript, so at the time you want to click on the element dot click method. So simple. After that, main thing is break. Why means otherwise the drop down will be expired already. Okay, so I'm commenting this print. Next one, I told you another thing. What is the thing? I want to click on this accept checkbox. So this is the web element. Okay, so how to click on the checkbox? Before that, I'm just copying this one. As usual, you guys know very well. Simply want to change the ID value and click it. So this is the way we need to handle checkbox. Checkboxes is like more than one selection. A ready button is, it was in circle manner, that is a kind of single selection always. So I will show you anywhere it is ready button comes or not. Okay, after that we want to click on this distribution. This is actually a button. Okay, so you guys know how to do. Let's simply copy this element, copy the click element. This will be automatically click here. Okay, so this is the best way. For the time sake, I'm going to stop this and read it last time. If it runs means luckily, but this is the code actually, so you want to learn how to do that. Okay, sometimes the testing apps won't go in our way, like they have older versions, they are very slow, some buggies. Okay, we cannot report anything on that one, but you guys have see the code, like how it works. That's enough for your knowledge. Okay, so if you have any doubts also, please let me know. See, this previously not there, but after that it got clicked in some places. Okay, so if you have faced anything, means put me in the comment. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to solve that issues whatever you're facing. Okay, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.